Guys, JB here, tech editor of gizmos.ph, and today we will find out what's inside the box. We will review another tech product perfect for a summer getaway. And today we have Decibel Technology Rainfall Bluetooth speakers. You remember, we reviewed Decibel Technology's Jackhammer and Riverter Bluetooth headphones. So right now we have Decibel Technology's Rainfall Bluetooth speakers. So let's see if this device is just as good as the previous Decibel Technology products that we reviewed. Okay, so right now, let's check out the packaging. As you can see, the product is made up of a thick matte board. On the side, you can see the product information. And on the other side, the product review. So let's open it. So when you open the box, you will find the product's manual. A USB charging cable, chip-free strap, and of course, the Bluetooth speaker. We're down to the most exciting part, so let's try it.
First, you have to turn on the Bluetooth speaker and wait for the opening prompt. The speaker will say hello.
Hello.
Open your device's Bluetooth. Find the Rainfall speaker on the list and connect to it.
Your device is connected.
Now, you're ready to enjoy the music.
So that's it for today, guys. We found out that Decibel Technology's Rainfall Bluetooth speakers has a lot of pros.
First, the sound quality is great. Second, portable siya, so you can bring it on your out-of-town trips. Third, no need for electricity, you just have to fully charge it. And fourth, no dangling wires, so it's very convenient. And from that, we can say that Decibel Technology's Rainfall Bluetooth speaker is one of the coolest gadgets that you can have this summer.
If you like the video, like the official Facebook page of gizmos.ph, inside the box and what to buy.
Get yourself one now at lazada.com.ph by simply clicking the link above.